Welcome to Confer for Android, a note-taking app for teachers that can transform how you collect and use student data in your classroom. Here's how it works. Select a subject, then select a student. Tap the plus button in the top right to take a new note on that student. The default note-taking fields are strength, teaching point, and next step, but you can customize the note fields for each of your subjects under settings in the main menu. You can enter new comments manually, or by selecting from your bank of existing comments. This bank grows each time you enter a new comment, and you can also import a list of comments from a text file. You can tag your notes, add a general comment, and even add a photo of student work. Saving the note adds it to the student's screen. Here you can scroll through all the notes taken on that student, letting you track the instruction and progress of each individual student. You can take notes on a group of students by selecting the students, tapping the plus button, and then tapping Add Note to Selected. The note you save will be added to each student. Taking notes and capturing student work with Confer is fast and effective, but the way Confer enables you to sort your students and their notes is what sets it apart as an instructional tool. Because your notes are separated into fields like strengths or next steps, Confer can sort your students based on the content of those fields. Tapping the sort button and then selecting next steps, for example, instantly shows you all the students who share the same next steps. You can immediately identify small groups of students with common instructional needs, allowing you to dive right into your next round of differentiated instruction. What used to be 20 minutes of planning small groups with a paper note-taking system can be done on the spot in seconds with Confer. You can also sort by the levels you've assigned students, letting you see the broader groupings of your classroom. Sorting by date shows you who you've met with when, helping you ensure that no student misses out on timely instructional contact. Confer also lets you create groups manually by selecting students and then adding them to a group. Students can be in multiple groups at once and can be easily transferred into or removed from a group. Finally, Confer lets you flag students on the go, perhaps during a whole group observation or while looking over examples of student work, and then later sort by flags to quickly see those groupings. And no matter how you've sorted your students, you can always cross-reference it with another view. For example, you can sort students by common teaching point, select a small group, and then sort by level to see if there are students at a similar level who may also benefit from that instruction. Having immediate access to this level of functional, informative student data right there on your device is enough to elevate any teacher's instruction. When you can also use that data to collaborate, it advances instruction even further. With a Confer account, you can back up your data by syncing it wirelessly. This stores your data securely and lets you import it back onto any Android device with Confer simply by logging into your account. This means you have secure access to your data anytime, anywhere, even if something happens to your device. A Confer account also lets you share your data with other users. Simply select the subjects you want to share and the users with whom you wish to share them. From then on, changes made by any shared user are merged onto your device when you sync, letting you collaborate seamlessly with other colleagues. Confer data can be exported at the subject level as a Google spreadsheet, or at the student level as a Word document, letting you create printable reports of your data. You can also back up or transfer all of your data as a single Confer file, which can be opened and imported into Confer on any Android device. And that's Confer, a groundbreaking app that combines quick, student-centered note-taking with powerful, flexible sorting in order to help you as a teacher make the absolute most of your student data. Find out more at conferapp.com.